Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss about She Stamp reviews. Also friends, this website is grabbing a lot of attention in the United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So now let's start with the video. So guys, this website consists of various gift items, accessories or decorating items for house, key rings, storybooks for children, stamps for kids, puzzles, etc. And in the home page, as you can see, some featured collections are available. As Mother's Day is near, so some Mother's Day gifts are available along with some discounted price, and some hot sale items are available such as aircraft collection stamp, childhood storybook, etc. Now let's check out its payment method friends. So it accepts PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Maestro and American Express as its payment mode. Now let's go to its shipping section friends. So in the shipping section, as you can see, it offers 48 hours processing time after you have placed the order, and also it may take 10 to 20 days to ship your order into the final destination. And for orders which are made from Brazil or Russia, it may take 30 days or more to arrive at your final destination. Also, it will charge some shipping fee for orders above $39, that is $6.99 will be charged, and above orders above $39 it will charge free shipping for those orders. Now without any further ado, let's check out its legitimacy points. But before that, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated. This will boost our spirit to make many more such informative videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Cons of this website. This particular website is using a valid and a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign here. Talking about its domain name registration guys, so it has been checked on whois.com. This website has registered on 15th March 2021 and is registered till 2022. So friends, this website has been registered only 1 month ago, so this website is too young, and this create a suspicious side of this website, and this site is registered only for a year, which is again a negative remark here friends. Now let's go to its about us section friends. So in its about us section, the content which is present in the about us section is short, and it only brief out its mission and vision about this website. No information about the owner is placed, along with no pictures are also given, so it is a negative remark here. Now let's check out its contact us detail friends. Let's go to the contact us section for that. So in the contact us section, no contact number is present, which is a negative remark here. An email ID is present which does not matches with the domain name, which is again a negative remark here. And an address is present in the contact us section. Now talking about its social media presence, it has various pages on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. But it has got zero social media presence till now. As I have mentioned that this site is too young, so that can be a reason for its unpopularity in the social media and on the search engines too. But it has got a Facebook page which has only 7 followers as of now, with no reviews yet. So talking about the reviews, so as of now the website is too young. No genuine comments has been found on any of the website or any of the social media platforms yet by the customers. So friends, if you have any experience with this site, do comment down and share your reviews on this site. We will be glad to be a part of it. Now talking about the return policy, let's check out its return policy. items can be returned within 3 days after the delivery has reached to its final destination. And also for those shipment which are made in Brazil or Russia, you can make a return within 40 days. Now talking about the refund policies, once the return item is received and inspected, your return will be processed within a certain amount of days. Now let's check out its content, friends. So talking about its quality and content of this website, it is overall an average website, as it has got 13% plagiarized content, which was checked in plagiarism detector, which is a positive sign here. So guys, talking about its conclusion, this website has got no reviews and no social media presence, which are the key points to judge the legitimacy of the website. This website is too young and has been registered only 1 month ago. Therefore, wait for the reviews, check them, as the website is too new to judge, and I would suggest my viewers to do their own amount of research before investing their money on such website. So friends, are you curious to make a buy from this website? Do comment down in the comment box below. And also guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video guys, so keep commenting. Please like this video, share this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you.